How to log in Commerzbank Online Banking Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log into Commerzbank Online Banking Account. First of all, open up any web browser and search for Commerzbank. Then you want to tap on the very first website. Now you have the login option at the top of your screen. Go ahead and tap on that option. On this page, you want to enter your username, then enter your PIN number. After that, tap on this drop-down menu and select your type. Once that is done, you want to tap on the login option. If all the details entered by you are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your login details, tap on this option which says forgotten your login details. Then from here you will have to follow the on-screen prompts in order to retrieve your username or reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.